Imagine a world where cities are powered by kites, where leaves aren't just for trees but also our machines, and where the dance of the tides lights up our homes. Sounds like a page from a fantasy novel? Think again. In today's deep dive, we'll journey through the top 10 breakthroughs in renewable energy that are shaping our future. Prepare to be amazed by innovations that are turning the pages of science fiction into our everyday reality. Stay with us and let's uncover the marvels of the energy universe together. Number 1. Floating solar farms. Imagine vast stretches of calm water shimmering under the sun, but now dotted with arrays of solar panels. This imagery isn't from a science fiction novel, it's the reality of floating solar farms. The essence of this breakthrough lies in utilizing water surfaces from reservoirs to lakes to generate clean electricity. Historically, land scarcity was a significant hurdle for large-scale solar institutions, but floating solar farms emerged as a solution. Not only do they save land, but they also reduce water evaporation and inhibit the growth of harmful algae. The synergy between water and these sun-harvesting platforms is poetic. As panels soak the sunlight, the water underneath keeps them cool, boosting their efficiency. Countries with limited land resources like Japan and Singapore have been early adopters, yet the potential is universal. As land becomes an increasingly scarce resource, these floating marvels might become the norm rather than the exception. Number 2. Solid-state batteries. Battery technology has been the bottleneck for renewable energy storage for years. Enter solid-state batteries, a game-changer that promises to redefine our understanding of energy storage. Unlike the conventional liquid electrolytes in batteries, solid-state batteries use solid materials. This might sound like a minute shift, but the implications are profound. Firstly, solid-state batteries are more compact, providing a much higher energy density. This means more power in less space. For electric vehicles, this could translate to longer ranges and quicker charging times. For renewable energy, it means more efficient storage options, bridging the gap between demand and supply, especially during non-peak sunlight or wind hours. Moreover, the absence of liquid eliminates the risk of leakage, reducing potential hazards. As this technology matures and becomes mainstream, we can anticipate a future where renewable energy, coupled with solid-state storage, powers our world around the clock. Number 3. Airborne wind energy systems. Traditional wind turbines are impressive structures, but what if we could harness wind energy from even greater heights? Airborne wind energy systems, or AWES, are designed to capture the stronger and more consistent winds found at altitudes beyond the reach of traditional turbines. Utilizing kites or drones tethered to the ground, AWES fly in patterns that generate power. These patterns can be adjusted to maximize energy production based on wind conditions. Not only does this system tap into a previously inaccessible wind resource, but its installation also requires less material, reducing environmental and economic costs. As the world continues to push the boundaries of innovation, AWES stands out. It challenges our perspective on what's possible, urging us to look upwards, quite literally, for solutions to our energy challenges. A horizon where kites and drones power our homes doesn't seem too distant anymore. Number 4. Liquid air energy storage. Have you ever considered that the air we breathe could be turned into a liquid and then used as a battery? Liquid air energy storage, or LAES, does precisely that. This groundbreaking method involves cooling air until it liquefies, storing this liquid air in insulated tanks, and then using it to generate power when needed. When demand surges, the stored liquid air is exposed to ambient temperatures. It rapidly heats up and expands, turning turbines in the process. The beauty of LAES lies in its scalability and the absence of geographic constraints. Unlike pumped hydro storage, which requires specific terrains, LAES can be implemented anywhere. This breakthrough promises to address one of renewable energy's most significant challenges: intermittency. By providing a reliable storage solution, LAES ensures that the energy produced from renewable sources can be dispatched precisely when it's needed, rain or shine. Number 5. Bionic leaves. Nature has been converting sunlight into energy efficiently for billions of years through photosynthesis. Scientists took inspiration from this process, leading to the invention of bionic leaves. These are not your typical leaves, but rather sophisticated devices that mimic the natural process to produce fuels. By splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen using solar energy, these bionic leaves pave the way for a sustainable fuel production system. The produced hydrogen can be utilized as a clean fuel source, potentially revolutionizing our energy landscape. Imagine a world where the leaves on trees and those in our machines coexist, both harnessing the sun, albeit in different manners, to sustain life and our modern lifestyles. Bionic leaves are a testament to the genius of nature and human ingenuity coming together. Number 6. Organic flow batteries. Often, progress is about reimagining the basics. Flow batteries, used for storing grid-scale energy, got an organic makeover, leading to the advent of organic flow batteries. Instead of using metals, these batteries utilize organic molecules, specifically ketones, which are abundant in nature and found in processes like photosynthesis. By leveraging these organic molecules, the cost of battery production decreases dramatically. Furthermore, these molecules are versatile, allowing for fine-tuning and optimization based on specific needs. What's mesmerizing is the marriage of biology and technology in this innovation. By borrowing elements from nature, organic flow batteries epitomize the direction in which renewable energy innovations are headed: sustainable, efficient, and in harmony with nature. Number 7. Thermoelectric materials. Every machine, every device we use, dissipates heat. What if this wasted heat could be converted back into usable energy? Thermoelectric materials do precisely that. These materials can generate electricity from the temperature difference on their two sides. The applications are myriad, from harnessing the heat produced by car engines to capturing the warmth for industrial processes. Thermoelectric materials present a plethora of opportunities to salvage and reuse energy that would otherwise be lost. While the concept of thermoelectric conversion isn't new, advancements in materials science have amplified its potential. As the search for efficient, renewable energy sources intensifies, thermoelectric materials stand out as an ingenious solution, turning waste into wealth. Number 8. Tidal power innovations. The rhythmic dance of our ocean's tides, powered by the moon's gravitational pull, is not just a spectacle, but also a vast untapped source of clean energy. Tidal power harnesses the energy from these ocean tides to generate electricity. Recent innovations have enabled more efficient tidal turbines and improved energy capture techniques. These modern systems are less intrusive and more adaptive to marine ecosystems, ensuring sustainability while harnessing power. The ocean's ceaseless ebb and flow serve as a powerful metaphor for the enduring nature of renewable energy. With tidal power innovations, we're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of our blue planet. Number 9. Perovskite solar cells. The world of solar energy saw a revolution with the introduction of perovskite solar cells. These are not your typical silicon-based cells. Perovskite, a unique crystalline structure, has proved to be highly efficient at absorbing light and converting it into electricity. The flexibility of perovskite cells, coupled with their cost-effectiveness, presents a myriad of applications. From integrating them into building materials to wearable technology, the possibilities are vast. The future might see cities where every building, every surface contributes to energy generation, thanks to these innovative cells. Perovskite solar cells remind us that sometimes it's not about reinventing the wheel, but discovering new materials that can redefine existing technologies. Number 10. Green hydrogen. Lastly, but by no means least, is the rise of green hydrogen. Hydrogen, when burned, releases energy and emits only water vapor. But the challenge has always been its eco-friendly production. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy sources, making it a truly clean fuel. The potential applications are diverse, from powering vehicles to industries. As nations grapple with the challenge of transitioning away from fossil fuels, green hydrogen offers a promising alternative, heralding a future where our energy is as clean as the water we drink. In the grand tapestry of renewable energy breakthroughs, green hydrogen is a vibrant thread, weaving a tale of innovation and hope. Well, there you have it, the future of energy in a nutshell. As the sun sets on today's episode, remember, the next time you see a kite or watch the tides, think of the limitless power they hold. Until next time, keep dreaming green and stay charged up.